Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ilene here, and I've been wanting to make a Dollar Tree haul video for the longest time. So finally, today is the day. Today is the day I'm going to show you all the fun things that I got at the Dollar Tree this week. First, I'm going to start with my favorite item I've been searching and searching for. These little things to store your jewelry in. They have a cute little heart, and you just open them up and you can store lots of little jewelry or hairpins, whatever you would like to store in here. And I picked up two of them in purple and mint green. The next find that I was super excited about was these little framed piggy banks. These are so adorable to stick on your nightstand when you get home and you have loose change. You just throw it right in the top here, as you see. And here, I have some in here. And it's so cute. It says, saving for a rainy day. Very cute. And I got a second one that even says, I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. And they're very simple to open once it's filled up. You just pull this little thing here at the top, open it up, take your money out, and then you start storing all over again. So that was my second great find that I was super excited to find. The next thing I got, I hauled a while ago. I found these adorable little fruits that have hand cream inside. And they have a fair amount inside. You pull this little thing off, and as you can see, this one is almost empty. So I was really excited to find some more fruits, because they actually work really well, and they're just so cute, and I'll do something with them when I'm completed using all the cream up. So I picked one up that's a peach. I picked one up that's an apple and a lemon. So cute, and they work really well. The next thing I found that I was really excited about was this jewelry kit a lot of people are hauling. It's adorable. It comes with a little pair of pliers. It actually has 103 pieces inside, and this is a great deal. If you lose your earring backs and you need one, you have 16 disc backs. You have 6 lobster claw clasps, in addition to 40 jump rings. Oh yeah, the 40 rubber backs for the behind the earring as well. And you could really do a lot of jewelry pairs, and just in a pinch when you need a backing, because when you go to buy them, they're not $1, and that's just a pair you're buying. This is 103 pieces. So I was happy to find that. Another thing that was really cute, I was happy to find, were these little cell phone stands. I picked up 3 of them. I do not care. I do not care. The next thing I was excited to find was these cell phone stands. I picked up 3 of them. And this one says, I do not care, with the donut. Very cute. This one is, you bake me crazy. And every now and then I fall apart. These are so cute to have on your desk, at home, at work, on the kitchen table when you're cooking. You could follow the recipe online, and it stands it up so well because I already have one out in the kitchen. But these are the 3 that I picked up today, so I was very excited to find, more of these. The next thing I found were for the summer. They have a ton of summer items coming into the Dollar Tree right now. You cannot beat what they have, but I only picked up a couple of things to start. My favorite find were to find this pool noodle chair. You attach it into a noodle and you could sit in it. Obviously, this is meant for children. I don't know how strong it will be because I'm in Long Island, New York, and it is not warm enough to go swimming just yet. But for $1, you can't beat it. It must be good. It has to work for children. So I'm super excited to use this out in the pool. Then I got some flip-flops. Dollar Tree has gotten a ton of flip-flops in. It was a huge selection. So I picked up a pair for myself and a pair for my honey. So I got these cute ones with the fruit, the ice cream, very summer theme, very cute. And these for my man because they're camouflage, they're manly, and for $1, this is perfect when you're going to the beach and you don't want to ruin your good pair of flip-flops or sandals. So the next thing, moving on, I found this cell phone case that has these beautiful sequins that give that mermaid effect. It's purple and silver, so when you brush them that way, it goes silver, and when you could brush them and brush them back down. It actually feels really fun to do this. And I also picked up a keychain just because it was just cute and it matched, and I haven't seen these in my store. So not quite sure if I'll use these for glasses, but this is a good pouch. Whether I use it for an iPhone, glasses, not really sure yet, but I just had to pick it up. Then the next thing I found was a stylus for your phone, for your tablet. Very cute. My son, I bought him one of these for $4, and this is the same thing for $1 at the Dollar Tree. You cannot beat it. And I love the purple. It's my favorite color. That's why I also picked up a succulent. They have some new succulents at the Dollar Tree, but I've recently done a project with lots of their succulents, so I didn't want to go crazy, but they have gotten in some new ones, which are really pretty and awesome. But I just picked up this purple one that came in this little black container, and because I love purple, I got to figure out what to do with this succulent. It's just so cute. So moving on to my next summer item, a summery item, were these adorable little seashells in a glass jar. They had these two different types at my Dollar Tree. These are like gray, and these are more on the beige and white. So I picked two up. Adorable. You can't beat these for $1 either. And lastly, I picked up some patches because the Dollar Tree has gotten in patches. I've never really seen patches at the Dollar Tree. So I just picked up two because they're just so adorable. And I got the emoji with this cactus, and I love cats, so I had to pick this up. So I did really well. I found a lot of fun items. There's still certain things that I've seen people haul that I would like to haul, and I will keep on the hunt. But for today, this is what I purchased, and this is what I got, and I wanted to share it with you all, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and there'll be many more videos to come. Thank you.